Are you actually ready to discover how you can design and launch a fully functional hospital appointment application in under 10 minutes flat, which you can then market to local clinics for over $200 each? If that sounds like the exact opportunity you have been searching for to start building real digital assets today, then you have absolutely arrived at the perfect tutorial. So let's jump right into the details. Imagine a streamlined process where any patient can secure their necessary medical appointment with just 2 quick taps, completely eliminating the need for tiresome phone calls or frustrating hold music. This incredibly useful, low-friction solution is something that medical facilities right across the globe, from bustling centers in the USA to dynamic markets in Kenya and India, are actively seeking out to modernize their scheduling. Instead of just talking about it theoretically, let me quickly walk you through a crystal clear, real-world demonstration of this powerful system in action right now. Take a look closely as the potential patient effortlessly navigates through the simple interface. First, choosing their desired date and then picking a specific time slot that perfectly fits their busy day. Next, they specify the exact medical specialty they require. And with a satisfying confirmation, the system instantly processes and permanently saves that booking into the backend database without any hiccups. What you are witnessing here is a modern marvel, expertly crafted using the incredibly fast Next.js framework combined with the robust, scalable power of Firebase for the data structure. Perhaps the best part of this entire architecture is that because of how we've structured the deployment, you can expect virtually zero recurring infrastructure costs for your operational server needs. Let's reveal the core components of this robust technology stack, beginning with Next.js, which provides blazing fast page loads and inherent search engine optimization to attract more users organically. Next up, we leverage the comprehensive capabilities of Firebase, which elegantly handles all aspects of user authentication, manages the real-time NoSQL database, and even provides incredibly reliable hosting services. Finally, for the deployment environment, we utilize Vercel, known for its seamless integration and for offering a generous, truly free forever tier that makes scaling accessible to everyone. This specific combination of tools allows us to focus purely on feature development, rather than getting bogged down in complex, expensive server maintenance tasks. Diving into the source code now, you can observe how the pages directory is masterfully utilized to create dynamic routing, allowing for unique URLs for every single clinic profile automatically. Crucially, we have precisely configured the Firebase security rules to ensure that only authorized users can read or write specific pieces of patient data, maintaining absolute privacy and compliance. On the client side, we are extensively using standard React hooks to manage all input states, giving us immediate, real-time validation feedback to guide the user seamlessly through the form process. Paying attention to these small but powerful coding details is exactly what separates a professional application from a quickly thrown together prototype. Getting this application deployed and accessible to your first paying customer is astonishingly fast. Simply connect your project repository from GitHub directly to the Vercel platform. After that initial connection, the entire build and global deployment process takes mere seconds, meaning you can go from code to a live revenue-generating site in under 30 seconds. And don't worry about unexpected traffic spikes, because this architecture is proven to scale reliably to support 10,000 concurrent active users without ever suffering from frustrating downtime. To confirm the monetization potential, I personally packaged this exact solution and successfully sold it to a local healthcare practice for a one-time fee of $250. You possess the exact same ability to secure similar deals right now, whether you choose to find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr or by networking directly within your own community. Consider the straightforward math. Landing just 4 new clients every single month translates directly into a consistent passive income stream of $1,000 or the local equivalent. The best part about selling this type of digital product is that the entire business operation, from sales to delivery, can be managed completely remotely from anywhere in the world. If you want to skip the building phase and immediately start customizing this project yourself, the complete, well-documented source code is available for download via the link provided directly in the description box below. Alternatively, if you are feeling overwhelmed by the development process and would rather have an expert build and deploy this application, tailored specifically for your needs, reach out to me directly to discuss a custom service package. And for those eager to see more powerful web solutions, make sure you look out for my very next video where I will be demonstrating how to build a complete e-commerce platform using the robust Django framework integrated with Stripe payments to ensure you never miss out on these weekly, high-value application development blueprints designed to maximize your earning potential. Remember to hit that subscribe button right now. I genuinely want to hear about your progress, so please drop a quick comment in the section below, stating clearly, "I'm building this right now." Now is the time to stop dreaming and start executing. Let's collectively code these brilliant ideas, successfully sell the final products, and scale our digital empires globally.